Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Last War survival game, how to change the server. So first, if I go for my settings and then click on customer service, there is an option of account. So if I go for it, there is an article which is saying, can I transfer to another server? But it's mentioned that currently the game does not support character transfer to another server. If you wish to play on a different server, you can follow these steps. You just need to go to your avatar, tap on your account. This is where you can create a new character with your specific server, but keep in mind you cannot transfer your heroes to your new server. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.